doing?
I'm doing fine. I bring you Gatorade and water.
Look.
Happy early birthday to
Who birthday is?
Yours. Look over here, dude.
Happy early birthday to you.
Oh, Shayla. Man.
Look at Mike. It's like you a cool boy. God.
My dad is a huge Pittsburgh Steelers fan, and I decided to surprise him for his birthday.
Look at that cake.
On this episode of Let's Craft, see how this surprise party setup came together.
Get that, Shay.
Balloons, Steelers gear, and my dad's old high school football photos. I combined a little bit of the past with a passion for his favorite football team.
Where you get me and Joe Green picture?
Oh, I ordered some cards. They're playing cards. I had some of my dad's high school football photos enlarged and placed them inside of these frames. Next, I cut out tiny terrible towels using yellow paper.
Man, this is nice. I like it. I gotta get my camera and take a picture of that.
I attached each one to a toothpick as a topper for the sandwiches. Using tape stencils and green placemats, I created what looked like a mini football field.
It's so nice. Mike, I'm 42.
Look at that cake.
I had a cake made at a local grocery store, and I purchased an edible Steelers image and placed it on top of the cake. I created displays using cardboard boxes. I also included some pictures of my parents. A surprise for my dad for his birthday. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reeves.